Where are you going? Hey, brush is over here. Brush is over here. There we go, brush the cat. Brush the cat? What? Who's doing that? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Now you're talking, right? Meow. Meow. Yeah. Right. Who's brushing the cat? Who needs a brush? Hi. Who needs a brush? You need a brush. Yes, you need a brush. Right? Does that feel better? Yeah, get some of that stupid hair off, right? Right? Where are you going? Where are you going? Brush over here. Where are you going away? I know. I know. That's better, huh? Yeah, it's too hot. Too hot with all this stupid hair. I know. Yeah, that's better, huh? That's better. More? More? Want some more? Okay. Okay. Want some more? On this side? Okay. Oh, hi. Wait. No biting. Enough brushing? Okay. Just pets? Hi. How's my friend doing? How you been? How you been? Yeah? Yeah? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? I don't know. She'll be back tomorrow. Don't worry about it. Okay? Squish your face? Okay. Squish your face? Okay. Squish your face again? Yeah, squish your face. Right? What? Hmm? Huh? Yeah? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Can you eat your box? Get in your box. Get in your box. Hey, where are you going? What's up here? Oh, hello. Hey, there's no biting. There's no biting. No, I'm not gonna pet you if you're gonna bite me. Nope. Nope, no bites. Hey, okay, well, what'd I say? No bites then. Okay, you want a snack? Let's go get a snack.